All right, what's up, everybody? We are out here at FuelFest Atlanta 2024, and it's the first FuelFest that they've had in Atlanta. We're here with the Drift V. We have plenty of oblivious people walking around here, obviously. We're on the XCOMP Gladiator tires. We're running the 235/40s on the rear, and first time using the XCOMPs. They're fantastic. They're grippy. They're a 200 treadwear tire. So shout out to the XCOMP team. They're over there. Maybe we'll go see them later on. And yeah, so we have the V out here. Everything's going good. We got the new clutch master cylinder in, so that is all good to go. And then we have Carlton with his cts-v over here. So we got two V1s. I think this might be a first for V1s ever to be at a drift event together, let alone side by side, both drifting. So we're gonna try and drive together today as well. But he's running some Stansco parts on his V, so it's really cool to see. This is the first time seeing like my stuff being used out in the wild, which is pretty neat. So we're gonna run it, all the things we did since LS Fest, the clutch master cylinder, our little ghetto intake mod, that's all working well. And we're just gonna see what kind of content we can get for you guys and just go have a good time. It's a hot lap style today, so I went out, I did like 4 laps and let the car cool down, tires cool down and all that. But then we're gonna go back out, have some fun. We have like 7 hours of drifting today. It's an open track all day, so we got plenty of time to burn some rubber. So as you guys know, we are here with XCOMP tires, and we are using their Gladiator HP tire on the Drift V. We're running a 245/40 18, and usually we run a 255/35 on this car, but these 200 treadwear 245/40s are certainly doing the job. They have a taller sidewall, and we are certainly getting our life out of them. You know, we do have about 1.5 degrees of negative camber in the car, so that's why you see this little spot here. But it is smooth wear all the way down until there is nothing left. No delaminating, no chunking, and it has grip all the way until the end. This last set in particular, I thought I was done, but I was like, let me try one more lap. I did the lap, and I still felt very confident in it. So then I was like, let me do one more lap. I did one more lap, and that's when I was like, okay, they're finally done. But at no point, handbrake drags, whatever it may be, at no point was there any kind of chunking, delaminating. I hot lapped this whole set nonstop. We took no break. All we did was pull over on grid to swap out the passenger. So there was really no cool down period for these tires, and for any of these tires really, and they are really holding up to the test. This track surface is like a cheese grater out here. It is terrible, for tires at least. And it's also hot out today, so with the heat, we are really working with the best case scenario with these XCOMP tires. You know, they're really just doing the job. So we got another set on the car. We're gonna be running these at Haunted Moves as well, and I think I might have just found a new favorite tire. First time here at this track. We live in Florida, but we're from like the Northeast, like Philly area.
I was gonna say, I seen the Philly tag.
Yeah.
Man, that's why I was like, you from up north?
Yeah.
Yeah. My family's from New Jersey, so.
Oh, sweet. I drifted like the track up there that I go to is in Jersey. All right, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, bro.
Hanging off, right?
It's a lost cause.
You want me to like just cut it off? Go get the saws off.
Yeah, right?
crazy feeling. Your rear end just locking up like that.
Yeah. And then like when it locks up, the whole car just goes.
It just swings, man. Shit, that was dope as hell, bro. What were you in before it is?
I'm gonna wait for you.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
You were great, yeah.
Oh, he's ready. All right.
They're gonna do some tandem.
Yeah, we'll see.
that dude with you?
Yeah, so hang on, hang tight. If he does one more lap, I might jump in with him again.
Okay.
But after the first turn, I went really wide and kind of slowed the car down, so that he was able to kind of like jump in there a little bit, and then when we transitioned, he was still there. Yeah, I mean, this car is faster than his, and it's they call it hooked up, so like it has a lot more grip, so like this car will move like fast. So
no keeping it tight.
He said he's good for one more.
Dude right there?
Yeah. Do you want to lead? I'll give a gap. What's that?
More space?
No, you go. I'll chase, but I'll give space. More than just 2 laps on that one.
Yeah, I appreciate that, man. Shit. That thing's flapping.
I know, I saw it in my mirror too. It was like swinging around.
Yeah. Hey, That shit was worth it, man. Shit.
Hell yeah, bro.
That was that shit, bro.
Those were fucking sick laps.
Yeah.
I can definitely see us being able to drive closely after only like a couple of laps, dude.
Oh, for sure. That was that last lap when I chased you, I had no tire left.
Ran out of grip.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, I'm running away from it. Yeah, I had to air
Yeah, I
these
appreciate
down
that,
to
bro.
28.
Yeah, man, for sure. And you got like
Microphone solo with music by the radio, hand on the dial song as you hear it. Sit by the radio, hand on the dial song as you hear it. Sit by the radio, hand.
All right, guys, so that is a wrap on FuelFest 2024 in Atlanta. We had a great time. As I showed you, the XCOMP tires were amazing. Like, they just felt really good. Morgan's gonna get hit by a car. They felt great. The V did fantastic. Clutch fix worked. I gotta bleed it a little bit more, but it worked. It worked well. No stuck clutch pedal and things like that. Our cold case radiator kept us cool. Everything just worked. All the Stansco parts worked. Our angle kit, another event, successful event with the Stansco angle kit, handbrake bracket, dual caliper bracket, all the brake lines, all that stuff worked well. And I just want to give a massive shout out to XCOMP for bringing us out to FuelFest Atlanta, and we're going to be teaming back up with them at FuelFest in Palm Beach and in Tampa in February, around the February timeframe. So keep an eye out. If you want, check them out at XCOMP Tires, and yeah, I'll put their Instagram down below and all that stuff. But yeah, it was a great event. You know, I feel like it's been a while since we've had an event this good. The vibes were good. It was very chill. And yeah, that's about it. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. We'll bring you some more V-Drift content in a few weeks. We're heading up to Jersey tomorrow for for Haunted Moves, and that's about it. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and we'll see you in the next one.